Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have yet another 99 cents only store haul. I'm actually pleasantly surprised. I cannot believe that I'm shopping at the 99 cent store again, and I haven't shopped there in a long time, to be honest with you. If you guys been watching my videos for a while, the only 99 cents haul I did was last week or so, and that was a fall decor, and I have more fall decor to show you guys. I am blown away. I want to share with you guys everything I found. As far as fall goes, fall is one of my favorite season, and also Christmas. I love the colors and all the decorations. It just puts me in a good mood. But before we begin, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, if this is your first time watching, I would love if you can subscribe to my channel. I do post 5 days a week, so I would love to have you. Why not join me? And if you like these types of videos and you want me to do more of these videos, please let me know. Click the like button. It really does help me out. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first thing I want to show you, I got 4 of them, and they are pillows. Guys, these are huge. Like, they're not playing around. This is a huge size pillow. This one says thankful, and the cool thing about this one is that it has LED lights. I think this is the one that I already turned on, so I can show you guys. Okay, so it has this little thing in here with the batteries where it has this on and off switch. Hopefully you guys can see the lights. I did turn it on. I do have my umbrella lights and my ring light on, so I don't know if it's too bright. Hopefully you guys can see it. And here, let me turn it off so you guys can kind of tell the difference. Hopefully you see that. So I actually really love that. That is so unique and different, and I am definitely gonna be using the LED lights when it's more dark. It just sets the mood and the ambiance. I love this one so much that I actually got 2 of them, and then I got one of these. So this one says hello beautiful fall. Again, guys, gorgeous. I am also thinking of getting 2 other pillows. I saw them at Hobby Lobby, and they're like $17 with the 40% off coupon. And it is that black gingham print I really love. I think this would look really great with it. So yeah, this one I really love so much. And oh my gosh, I forgot to tell you guys how much these pillows were. So they were $5.99, and to be honest with you, I do think that they are a great price, especially the fact that they are so huge. So this is the other one. This one says thankful and blessed. So this one has the light gray gingham print, and like I said, I'm gonna get 2 of the black gingham print as well to contrast with these pillows on my couches. I just love them so much. They are gorgeous. And okay, so you guys, if you've been watching my videos, you kind of know how I feel about 99 cents. I kind of stopped going to the 99 cents for a while, and I was kind of upset because I was like, dang, like they almost doubled in price. And a lot of their items that used to be, you know, 99 cents, 1.99 is pretty much double. So it was really upsetting. But now they have so much great stuff, and I do believe that some of it is actually really reasonable price, because if you do get these at another store, it's gonna be way more. And guys, I just want to apologize. I'm sorry for the noise. If you guys hear that, that is my AC running. I don't know why it is so loud in my room, but I do have to have it on, unfortunately, because if I don't, I'm literally gonna melt before your eyes, because it's really that hot. And also because I have 3 lights on me, it gets so hot that I can't bear it. So I'm really sorry. I hope you guys don't mind that. I'm gonna try to figure out a way to do this where next time I won't need to turn on the AC. Hopefully, we will see. Maybe I'm gonna have to film like super early where it's still cool. I don't know. If you guys are bothered by that, I do apologize. But moving on, I also got this decor right here. I really love this one. Now they have one like this, and it had like a teal blue, was it? Yeah, it was like a teal blue right here, and the rest it was the same, but it's like 3D. Hopefully you guys can see that. This is like pops out, looks like this, and this was $1.99, and it has some nice weight to it. I'm debating on using this on my coffee bar, so we will see, but I really love it. Now, 2 of the items that was on my wish list after my first 99 cents haul that I showed you guys, I talked about it in that video, and I told you guys how badly I want these decor. So I went to the other 99 cents with one of my best friends and I found them. So here's the first one. This is the one that I wanted the most. It says grateful, thankful, blessed. Guys, this is $1.99 and this is actually such great quality. Like, it's sturdy. It's pretty wide, pretty thick, and a nice sturdy quality. I honestly thought when I seen this that it's gonna be like $2.99 or $3.99. It's $1.99, so I think that's a great deal. And I just love this saying. Whenever I see this, I'm all for it. I just love it. And then the other one is this one right here. At first, this is the one that I wasn't sure if I'm gonna pick up. But if you guys don't know, I love anything that says hello. I don't know why. I think it's just something so like inviting when it says hello. Hello, Autumn. Like, yes, I will welcome you. And it is just so gorgeous. Again, $1.99. It's just an awesome deal. I have to say, I'm very impressed. And the wood does look like real. I don't know if it is. I don't think it is. But it does look real. It's very sturdy. It has some nice weight to it. So yeah, I'm definitely impressed by that. And then, guys, I found these really cute pumpkin. I'm trying to find the other one because there was two of them. Okay, there it is. So I found these really cute pumpkins. These are like a fabric material. This is the one I wanted the most. I did not know they have the orange one, but when I seen it, obviously I had to pick it up. But these were 99 cents, and look at this material, guys. It is so freaking cute. I love everything about it, guys. Honestly, I do wish they had it in like multiple colors, like maybe a teal one and a green one, but they did not have it. I'm okay with that, but anyways, yeah, these are really gorgeous. I'm still looking for their bucket that they have that's like $2.99, and I want to put like all my pumpkins in there. I think these two are also gonna go in that bucket if I find it. I'm just gonna have that bucket full of pumpkins. Hopefully it turns out great. If I'm able to find that bucket, we will see. And then, guys, I am so happy that I found this. There was only two left, so I got this one. This one says thankful. Now, if you do not like the color, you can always paint over it. So I don't know about this color. I don't know why. I feel like this color, you can barely tell what it says. Maybe it's just me. I mean, I know I'm not blind. I can see it says thankful, but I just wish it was like a different color. So I'm debating on maybe painting it or maybe adding something to it. We will see. But I'm also looking for the other one that they have that says grateful. I haven't been able to find that. And that one is in orange, which I love. But I do love this one. And this was 99 cents. So that was a great buy. Guys, from the last haul, from the last 99 cents haul, you know, I told you that I wanted the red truck. So I got that teal one and I found the red one. This is some nice weight. Like, this is real wood. It's sturdy. It has some nice weight to it. This was $3.99 and I think it was a really great buy. I just love it. The quality is amazing. I feel like this truck trend that's going on, I guess, is here to stay for a while. It's just so cute. I don't know what it is. It just makes the fall just more inviting by using a truck. I mean, look how cute it is. It has pumpkins, it has hay, and has these little cranberries, some leaves. Just adorable, guys. And it says hayride right here. So yeah, I had to get this one. And if this is your first time watching, if you guys did not see my other 99 cents haul that has the fall decor, I am gonna link that video down below just so you guys can find it easily. So just to let you guys know. And then I also picked this one up. Okay, it looks like this. So it says thankful, grateful, blessed. Now I'm thinking of doing a DIY with this, maybe a wreath, and I am gonna take these apart. We will see, but I do have some plans for this one. I don't want it like this. I'm not gonna use it. And when I looked at it, I wasn't gonna pick it up. I'm like, it doesn't look so cute like that. But if you take it apart and DIY it, I think that would be really, really cute. I was debating on getting two because of doing a DIY, but then I thought about it. I was like, you know what? I think this is enough. So I got that. This was 99 cents. So the last items that I picked up are more pumpkins. So I got these. Guys, I love these so much. They are so unique. And I almost never see these types of pumpkins. Like they almost never bring these out. It's these ones that are like more skinny and different compared to the traditional looking ones that are like this. They're fat and round. I love this, and this color is gorgeous. Let me show you guys. So it has like that glitter all around it. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful, and the glitter does not come off. So I'm like checking my hands right now. Well, it does a little bit, but not much. So I really do love these. These are gonna be the pumpkins that I'm gonna throw in that bucket if I find it. If not, I'm gonna have to figure out a way to do that with what I have. So yeah, I got 3 of these. These were 99 cents. And then I only got 2 of these. They're the same as that one, but they are orange. Really, really love these. I got 1 of these, again with that glitter all around. It's really unique. I just love it. I actually love the way they made this. I just think it looks really cute. And then the last pumpkin is this one right here. This is more tall. So it looks like this, and I just love it. Look at this, guys. I love it. It's just beautiful. I actually wanted to just get a few of these, but when I saw them, if you guys don't know me, I tend to go all out, and I either go big or go home. So I went big, and I am not mad about it. I'm so happy that I found them. Like I said, I'm still looking for that bucket. I think it says like Hello Autumn or Hello Fall. I'm not sure, but it has like pumpkins on it, and it's a tin bucket. I really hope I can find it, guys, because it's gorgeous. For $2.99, I think that's a great deal. And then, guys, the last item that I feel like it goes so well with the fall decor is these right here. So these are ginger snap cookies. These are vegan. If you guys don't know, I am vegan. I bought these last year when they had them, and they just taste amazing. These were 99 cents, and I'm planning to put these cookies in my truck, the truck that I hauled in from the other 99 cents, where you can put the cookies inside. It's like a porcelain truck. I love it. So yeah, guys, this is awesome. They taste amazing. If you like ginger snaps, you will like these. These are amazing. So like I said, these were 99 cents, and I thought that was a really great deal. Really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you guys have not subscribed yet and you're still watching, please click that subscribe button. It would really make my day. And thank you so much again for watching. It really means a lot to me, guys. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch me and everything I got. Till next time, remember, stay blessed. Bye.